As you can see, one of the segments is missing, and it's kind of going haywire as soon as I put the batteries in. And pressing buttons does not work. So it will just continue to do this. Note that I have one Energizer and one Duracell. And these are Utilitex from Lowe's. Let's see if it yields any different results, because there you go. It works, apparently, with those, and it will probably continue to work for the next couple days until it goes haywire, like you just saw. The most it ran was for 4 days without doing what it did previously. Pressing buttons doesn't stop it. Pressing the front buttons, the face buttons, does not stop it. And, like I said, this is still blown out. So, there you have it.